With the Galaxy G Fold, Samsung's inaugural tri-fold handset, the company is set to make a definitive mark within the foldable smartphone arena. This pioneering device merges the capabilities of both tablet and smartphone formats into a compact, flexible solution. Slated to debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, the G Fold showcases a distinctive folding architecture and a silicon carbon battery among other cutting-edge enhancements. Launching initially in South Korea and China, this strategic release underlines Samsung's concentrated efforts in key regions where demand for foldables is rapidly accelerating. Delivering users unparalleled flexibility and convenience, the Fold's tri-fold form factor represents a major evolution in foldable tech. Its inward folding format enables the device to expand into a 9.96-inch panel, providing a tablet-style interface ideal for productivity, multitasking, and immersive media. When folded down, it transforms into a portable 6.54-inch screen, making it highly convenient for daily carry and functionality. This form factor is designed to serve users who require seamless switching between various use cases. The G Fold adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Whether seeking an expanded screen for tasks or a compact footprint for mobility, the G Fold, drawing inspiration from the Z Fold 7, maintains a sleek and streamlined silhouette, ensuring practicality without compromising aesthetics or durability. This harmony between design and utility positions the G Fold as a versatile device for both work and leisure. At its heart lies a silicon carbon battery, an innovative leap beyond traditional lithium-ion cells. This battery provides superior energy density, enabling Samsung to deliver extended usage hours without enlarging the device's physical footprint. With a reported capacity just below 5,000 mAh, the G Fold is engineered for prolonged operation, making it a dependable asset for users with demanding routines. Integrating this battery marks a significant advancement in addressing the power needs of foldable devices. Through this inclusion, Samsung not only boosts the Fold's endurance, but also strengthens its leadership in battery innovation. Rival firms like Honor are reportedly exploring similar technologies, but Samsung's execution within a tri-fold framework gives the G Fold a unique advantage. The Galaxy G Fold is expected to deliver high-end performance, catering to professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Among its standout capabilities is 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, a feature appealing to content creators in need of broadcast-level visuals. Furthermore, it borrows key design elements from the Z Fold 7, such as a robust hinge system, enhanced speakers, and a flat chassis. The new hinge design is especially noteworthy, offering smooth folding functionality while maintaining structural strength, resolving durability issues often associated with foldables. These attributes reflect Samsung's aim to deliver a refined user journey by balancing innovation with reliability. The Galaxy G Fold is more than a product. It symbolizes Samsung's drive to expand the boundaries of mobile technology. The device is reportedly launching this July with initial availability in South Korea and China. This focused rollout strategy reflects growing interest in foldables within these markets, where consumers are embracing emerging form factors. By honing in on these regions, Samsung seeks to solidify its position before pursuing broader international availability. The limited release also gives the company a chance to gather feedback and refine production workflows. This measured approach ensures that the G Fold aligns with the high expectations of its intended user base. By prioritizing quality and satisfaction, Samsung reinforces its dominance in the foldable sector. The G Fold enters a crowded arena where brands like Honor are already adopting innovations, such as silicon carbon power cells. However, Samsung's tri-fold concept and inclusion of cutting-edge features provide a strong market advantage. By blending tablet and phone capabilities, the G Fold appeals to users seeking versatility and forward-thinking design. Samsung's established reputation and expansive ecosystem further elevate the Fold's appeal. Its capability to merge advanced tech with user-centric function makes it a strong contender in the foldable phone space. As competition intensifies, Samsung's commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that the G Fold remains a compelling option. Samsung has long been praised for its superior camera systems, and the G Fold is no exception. The device is tipped to feature a 200 MP main sensor, flanked by a 12 MP ultrawide lens and a 10 MP telephoto unit. This advanced setup is engineered for flagship-grade imaging, allowing users to capture high-resolution content across varied lighting scenarios. On the front, the G Fold is expected to adopt a punch-hole camera, replacing the under-display module seen in previous models. This shift is likely aimed at enhancing image clarity and reliability, addressing prior performance issues. For users focused on photography, the Fold's camera suite could be a significant draw, delivering pro-level capabilities in a foldable form. It appears trifold phones are shaping up to be the next evolution in the foldables market. Huawei's Mate X3T has already reached global shores, and reports suggest Samsung may debut the G Fold this summer alongside the Z Fold 7. A recent ET News article offers numerous intriguing insights into the G Fold, the presumed name for Samsung's much-speculated trifold device. Sources suggest it is set to enter production this April alongside the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, with all three anticipated to launch simultaneously. Samsung typically hosts a Galaxy Unpacked event during summer, and it is likely here where the next wave of Z Foldables will appear. While an exact date is unknown, it varies annually. If this intel proves accurate, we could see the G Fold available by late August. However, due to its novel and relatively niche form factor, availability may be constrained. One insider claimed that only limited quantities will be produced for select regions, similar to last year's Fold SE release. Ideally, availability will be broader than that of the Z Fold SE, which was confined to China and South Korea. What might the Galaxy G Fold look like? ET News reveals far more than launch timelines. Insiders also detailed several aspects of its hardware design, including its folding style. Unlike the Huawei Mate X3T, which folds outward to create a single display, Samsung will likely retain the inward folding design seen in its Z Fold range. If you've seen the Flex G concept, you'll have a general idea of the internal layout. This design choice also suggests the G Fold will include a cover screen, separate from the main foldable panel. Reportedly, this outer screen will mirror the 6.49-inch size found on the Z Fold 7 and the prior SE variant. Meanwhile, the main folding screen is expected to measure 9.96 inches. Unfortunately, Samsung may be repeating one unpopular Z Fold SE feature. ET News sources say the G Fold will lack a digitizer layer, meaning no S Pen support. Realistically, it may never launch, as the financials likely don't stack up. But if any company could pull it off, it's Samsung. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest in tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.